Okatakyie family for the record show host any other TikTokers adjoining conversation prior to the ongoing crisis at Ecos Ewo Bawku. I say Bawku SHS school crowd are closing it down temporarily to further notice after say shooting Ecos for Yohonu Muntaka e can final yesterday Marco Emma ewu ye no. You say the Bawku enter one abe dedwa ewo media so na Afrifa abechre na adwene ewo ho any other TikTokers na omo be John Mahama na omo kire say interior minister any defense minister any IGP. These three people must resign. I Penyah Brock Media. Let's watch any demo. Obe like video, no that my subscribe button. It's not back in the keep notification and latest updates. Now better watch on their mama. Our comment section. Let's watch Baswa. No achieving of course any be actually. It end on bro video I'm catching say. Bawku no tension as I west. What I say? Tension across Bawku no conflict on I west to the point say there have been a shooting at Bawku SHS school. Ama because of that, a two I can find yesterday Bawku. Ama level 2 that is form 2 strengths no it will be come a bit more epra because of that no the management of the school has shut the school down now temporarily till further notice Ghana for me cry the omo adwene ewo ho na hwe Bawku nsem na e kwon say no IGP kasai e can oh crime rate ewo Ghana ha no eso ate above form. I say crime rate above form na some Ghana for na one person be kind of crap but more kind of crime rate reduce any ade na if Bawku and say that say Mahama their politics 2024 or their campaign Mahama their politics na no and Afrifa abambi Afrifa be no what the constitution no abe expose Mahama
no mo kusasi for me no Bawku for anya ba bi esi eduru no ade ba no Bobby?
Airtime.
What thing can I send this? Come we are by yes and Bobby? Yentie a list one and Apuku. One of the trusted confidant of John Mahama. Yentino.
Yes. Appointment now, John Mahama, and Opeso of Bob Mine. Adam Bona. Now, on the name now, so a doctor, school of Conway, PhD no yan. This is a manner. You're born free UK for criminality. I would dive into it. Man, some time, Nisha. You must have questions, sir. A dean or choir, one secondary school, six from my breast in the 80s. Then or choir. Me papa na na ye posini by a security expert. Oko security school or here. Yeah, what security expert title. Yeah, media force so mu duepo. Na matimi afra da bona betre radio so TV so. Me list to okrampo say be krampo. Me who so da kakra. Me yem from security expert. Obi a onu kwa uri tuo to kwa wantimi nkyere tuo ne bare na wantimi nkyere etuo se ne ye tutu tuo ne ya hye tuo oni me. That's why a security aspect. What be our no, what can one almost supply to your crop?
Ave Tiayi. When Adams Bonano, a John Mahama Nakoto, a small arms commission. List on an Apoku say Adams Bona, and as Kahomia supply to Echo Bawku. Oka somewhere bro several months. Adams Bonanka on debank on court. So yeah for the records for say ye friend maybe by inference. And yeah, this in a winning seat when there is peace, omu pio kotwaba, omu to man people. Exactly. How are Yakubu that time? What kind of hypocrisy is this? And we want to continue to play politics with this nonsense. When people, kids are dying, mampusis are dying, kusasis are dying, business are dying, kokomba people are dying, and we are aware. Since we are bereft of ideas, sir, let me propose some ideas for you guys. How you can bring peace to Bawku. Precisely. If you are bereft of ideas, if you don't have any idea how to solve the Bawku chieftains issue, requisition of arms it should be your priority. And go for the trio gum, our moton, one cat funding here for the mama who ministers in other funding. Oncrofo na tete nkran na. Munni mo send mobile money, munni more track record. Mon kate funding. Mo wia aban yi sika mfiri ni botom. E fan to arms. Mun use strategy. Mun use adwene. More fire. Eti mo betimi kura akwa pay informant wo ho tie ni ye Yohonu tete Yohonu ani ya sa ideas no na asa bi ni ideas no matowe bo ase adwene akodip na mema mu bie Monfa informant. Mo discuss o monso ye o mo to arms kokko no bi. It is obi yeso obeton tu o ho a. Enye so okwa mo akochi nipa no. Mon konko to tuo no. It comes at a cost to the state. Na mo koto tuo no bebre so mo de kokko a. Se man prisi ni na mbanya no a. Wo mo nya se wo mo koto tuo no a. Wo mo nya bebre free ho a. What would they do? No mo de ma state no. Sanso na kusasi fo no. Obi cost ye ni ade. Mesu me beto tuo no bi. Ni ade wo ko no koto ye de kokku man prisi fo. And so and you can retrieve a lot of weapons from there using that strategy. Anybody be brains who true. Then when I'm born over the time, the government should give amnesty to those people. Say 10 days. Obia what the oppressor or didn't you near granting amnesty be a many free boko near many peaceful place manacodemia. That is what we do. And they will surrender. Because most of them want peace. Except that they don't know the way out. Near build the baby, I don't That is how we solve the problem. I never know. The government. Cut the funding. Retrieve the armor. How do you retrieve it? You must pay. Government must pay to buy the armory. Give them amnesty. Get solid informants. Abetri omuka. Our money momo mudi tria ba no mu fatrio mai. Tria informants ne kaye. We jakwa nkwase sama wudi nkoma. We na ese okokoye. Adwuma we. Adwuma we. Obi and yeah, this in a winning seat of when there is peace, exactly. How are Yakubu that time? What kind of hypocrisy is this? And we want to continue to play politics with this nonsense. When kids are dying, mampusis are dying, kusasis are dying, business are dying, kokomba people are dying, and we are aware. Since we are bereft of ideas, sir, let me propose some ideas for you guys. How you can bring peace to Bawku. Precisely. If you are bereft of ideas, if you don't have any idea how to solve the Bawku chieftaincy issue, requisition of arms should be your priority. And for the trio gum, our moton, one cat funding here for the mama ministers and other funding. On Crawford at the crying now, Munni, Mamma sending mobile money, Munni more track record. Mon cat funding. Moria, a buying Yisi come free the bottom, a fan top arms. Mun use strategy, mun use adwene. More fire. Eti mo betimi kura akwa pay informant wo ho tie ni ye Yohonu tete Yohonu ani ya sa ideas no na asa bi ni ideas no matowe bo ase adwene akodip na mema mu bie Monfa informant. Mo discuss o monso ye o mo to arms kokko no bi. It is obi yeso obeton tu o ho a. Enye so okwa mo akochi nipa no. Mon konko to tuo no. It comes at a cost to the state. Na mo koto tuo no bebre so mo de kokko a. Se man prisi ni na mbanya no a. Wo mo nya se wo mo koto tuo no a. Wo mo nya bebre free ho a. What would they do? No mo de ma state no. Sanso na kusasi fo no. Obi cost ye ni ade. Mesu me beto tuo no bi. Ni ade wo kono koto ye de kokku man prisi fo. And so and you can retrieve a lot of weapons from there using that strategy. Anybody be brains who true. Then when I'm born over the time, the government should give amnesty to those people. Say 10 days. Obia what the oppressor or didn't you near granting amnesty be a many free boko near many peaceful place manacodemia. That is what we do. And they will surrender. Because most of them want peace. Except that they don't know the way out. Near build the baby, I don't That is how we solve the problem. I never know.
The government.
Cut the funding. Retrieve the armor. How do you retrieve it? You must pay. Government must pay to buy the armory. Give them amnesty. Get solid informants. I bet you moka. Our money momo mudi tria bano munfu trio mai. Tria informants ne kaye. We japa nkwasi asema wudi nkoma. We na esa okokoye. Adwuma we. Adwuma we. Kobi.
Yes, appointment now John Mahama no opeso obo man no. Adam Bona now on nam now so a doctor no school no no he. PhD no nya no he. This is a man. They born free UK for criminality. I will dive into it. Me say me time ni so. You must question say. Again, he was secondary school, sixth form abreso in the 80s. Then Okoye. Ne papa, na ne posini. Posini by a security aspect. Oko security school here. Yeah, what security aspect? Title. Yeah, media forces so much po. Na matimi afra dan bona betre radio so TV so. Me list to okrampo say be krampo. Me who so da kakra. Me yam from security aspect. Obi a onu kwa uri tuo to okwa wantimi nkyere tuo ne bare na wantimi nkyere etuo se ne yetutu tuo ne yahye tuo onim ye. Yes, a security aspect. Obi a onu woka hu no supply tuo ko boko.
Ave tiayi. When Adams Bonano, John Mahama nakoto, a small arms commission. List on an apoku say Adams Bona, and as Kahomia supply to Echo Boko. Oka somewhere bro several months. Adams Bonanka on Dibanke on core court. So yeah for the records for say ye maybe by inference.
Precisely.
By inference we can conclude that ocean behavior Ebra can't say we fan one. Then you list when maybe. It is a sam pass the list to work on your credit. Send the didn't go to arms commission, small arms commission. Adams Bona or supply to Kohe. Bokonto kwano John Mahama ni momo mshechi Bokonto kwano John Mahama nane nkofo ne shechi if send this for benefit free ho nkofo make capital omo tontuo ho omo nyesika the nkofo omo duano omo anu aduane so omo tontuo boko but the danger in it is that bokono e border town
Precisely.
and adia koso Burkina no si eti anye yi no mo recruit sankofo ebia even as a whole nation it is a threat.
Exactly.
Was they say to kwana tre ebia dukumase atre edu ashaiman na no som kokun obu ashaiman and that is what they are trying to do to expand the war.
Precisely.
So stop playing politics with it, Mr. President, and deal with this thing head on.
Oh, the president.
On this note, I don't even want to say anything. Let's stop the hypocrisy.
Exactly.
Let's deal with the Bawku issue.
Precisely.
John Mahama, in charge. He's the commander-in-chief of the republic. He's the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. He has all the security at his disposal. If he wants to solve Bawku issue, it shouldn't take him more than a month to deal with it. And he knows it. But he won't solve it because he benefits politically from it.
Precisely.
Mama Yarga, you need to take a stance and stop this thing about and I mean Kabi and I will when I'm Kabi if I one Kabi a year. Now must search in a funding. I bend you people. If you made look at the Chief River, Many Kofi, General, Sewa, Daniel, BK, near Baba Yajuma. You show no macramo. Bye.
Now, of course, John Mahama TikTok has been Ayɛka say IGP, Defense Minister, Omane Boama, and Interior Minister, Muntaka Mohammed, Sank of me and Sawi. Omun raise because every man Omun Timinia.
In this day and age, there are people who are more passionate and love their political parties more than they even love the country. Because tell me why an awareness is going on right now, trying to seek the government to come to our aid and to help us drive some of these foreigners who are criminals out. And people are in comment sections testing us, telling us that it's all propaganda. Now it's the MPPs who are promoting this to put fear in people. When did Yohonu even come? The IGP even came to power now, and we are trying to put so much pressure on him. Isn't the IGP taking pay? That 6 months or 7 months that he has been in position, isn't he being paid? Doesn't he enjoy benefits? So if we want him to work for us, is it wrong for us to demand that? See, let me tell you something. All these things that are happening, it's me and you that are in the grassroots that are going to suffer. You will not hear any politician's child being kidnapped. You will never hear any politician's child I'm now wire for taxi. Yeah, for taxi natural tron. You know that man will be the end. Careful no. They go out with escorts. They go out with the police. Into Waleka, Aya Nyansa, Nakabi, Najabu political affiliation.
DCOP Osman Abdul Razak, the National Security Coordinator, a human Untimenya Fatu Nako, Interior Minister of the Republic of Ghana, Yohonu Muntaka, Mimimsa Woye Juma. I trust the Juma Woye, me bo abaso, me kasa wonya Juma na ma brenya me. O waye Juma, but say Juma ne de adru no muntimi ya munjai. Na mu fanto na munko. Aban ne ye adwuma papa. Aban ne bɔ ne ho mɔden e wo se ye de time ne ye bibia bɔ aban na ba so kyerɛkyerɛ policies aban ne ye mu se ne be ya Ghana fo benya so mfa so no man ne timi etumpon no. Security is becoming another problem for which we know say na nye problem wo Ghana. Ese se wo ne akokɔ da ye mpre ne dabre. Ne dabre ekituwe bi. Munim MPP foi data. Munim dio mutimi ye. Sometimes I know one say me I know the capabilities of the MPP and minim the MPP betimi aye nya wasase we so. And minim dio maye da. And intina ama me hu dio betimi aye. Kidnapping started that pay. Nipa kunkum ne started that pay. Da ben ne shase wo Ghana. Ayos omuko position there 4 5 months ya na sha decide na started. Ghana ha yeti Ghana ha nipa kum started da ben. Even akufo ado no ye nipa boni ni kro obedi mampani nipa boni sem fie nwotwe kra no ba ku bi na na otisi ye kunkum nipa ba ku bi wa na sunya ne abesim die bi wa abeti ba ku bi wa abeti mienu bi. Rampantly started da ben. National Security Coordinator DCOP Abdul Osman Razak. Adwuma no ntimi nya jai. Security has never become a challenge, especially interior. Ministry na ye interior no in charge. We defense minister ni mo hwe. We the mean come and bo amase because we o mane bo amenye na adwuma. When it comes to internal security matters, the interior minister, that is Honorable Muntaka, who need the national security coordinator. And then many pekum something I also see a trans account once and you come ni passa say. You kidnap ni passa say. Edman Muntimi, ya move Edman to move Edman command your dear man, no for more before, and yet titles, no, and then I'm also only V8, no. What is a dear Amoya offices for? A dear Amoya. Ghanaians are not happy. Sa train Nasa Sia Bano, Memus and M1. Muntimi yet man, a move Edman and to one among call. And ever some. Since when they started say you come nipa Ghana? Since when? Akufo do nipa boni ni kro betena so no election violence na ya ade odidi kra no nyante sa rampantly omu ko opposition mum no ma start so omu orchestrate this and blue way and you can't stop it.
The majority leader John Mahama Ayɛka twani ko hweboko entokwa asi ho enkofo ekun kofo yeto abawi a oba parliament untimi nko okro mu biem enso wote parliament ehwehwe 2/3 majority of Parliament. Nansaya ne koto aba ewa blekuma. Ena mo wene sa seat no. Enti sesi a ope Akwatia seat honorable NS Yakumi ya beto ne safre na busuafo kra nya ntoto na chi no. Wako ye application e ama Speaker of Parliament say onye ne enkoto aba enkoyi MP. Chese de odwane se obeye 2/3 majority our Parliament. Da waye supreme. Eno na odwe hu. Nemo mtokwa na si ukrom no. Ondwe hu. Nipa na ye kuom no. Ondwe hu. Ye hia wani se NDC for ebeye 2/3 majority our Parliament. Now abusia 2/3 majority omunya our Parliament e dia kra no betimi dia ye. E dia poti pa no betimi dia ye. Me jina akan pi. Actually say 2/3 majority NDC for ntimi fanya hwe. 2/3 majority enioma 4 ena ebetumi aye our Parliament. The be enioma 4 na ebetumi aye no MPP for kra mfa ho. Number 1, 2/3 majority ye the president every Parliament. And I said the president every abamu. It is 2/3 majority no president number to media you know. It is someone the baka ko John Mahama. Eno de mo amasema. Mo pekra munya na mo fan ko yin because ono wasa. You get my point. Number 2, to remove a Speaker of Parliament, 2/3 majority. Since munya 2/3 na Speaker of Parliament number to media you know. Now, do you have the balls to sack the Speaker of Parliament? You dare not. Don't try. Because Urban Sumana Kingsford Babin, diabolic, any Ejuma or Yamamo 2024, a free 2020, ABC 2024, no. Urban Sumana Kingsford Babin, Ejuma or Yama NDC for Parliament, no, and a democrat power. And Yama or you may be oh yeah, person beka ho asem. And the NDC ba power you don't have the balls to talk about it. Number 3, to remove a minister from Parliament. And I said from ministerial position. That is vote of censure. Udibeyi minister every position. 2/3 majority. Etimu pa mo fanko yi Sam George. Timunya 2/3 na mo fanko yi Sam George. Na mo fanyi energy minister because omo na asa. Na mo ko yi okujeto because so akofa problem crab na mo fan ko yin free ho. And a 4th thing 2/3 majority betime of Parliament ni say unentrenched provisions and a 2/3 majority ebetumi asesam. Apart from that omutimi nya hwebiem unentrenched provisions so ehia obia mo pa mo kosesa ni nyina na mo nya constitution nyina foforo but entrenched provisions ni de mo pesa mo tra ho ma Mr. Mahama eko 3rd agenda no ene entrenched provision eno constitution is say this all a referendum. Now 40% of Ghanaians ebe beto aba. Now 40% na beto aba no, of which 75% of omo beto aba no. Eka se ane. Ansana His Excellency John Mahama manwa wetima ko the 3rd term no. Etino etimi nya adwuma. Referendum no kra emmaso enya adwuma. Na 40% po akoto. Ama emu 70% akasi John Mahama ansanko biem. Enti eno ensi e Ghana ha. Enti mu ntuma adwuma. Now, mu raise the hopes of your base, no. Mu raise your hopes. Oh, yeah, 2/3 of Parliament. And John Mahama, oh, yeah, Supreme Leader. Oh, yeah, say, John Mahama, on your Supreme Leader, bia. On your Supreme Leader, bia. He's just a scammer. And John Mahama, on your Supreme Leader. To 2/3 member of Parliament, now, mu pe or holding in ano. Yeah, the MPP, they now become a whole crowd, now, mu to be a our Parliament. Be no one betting as a Parliament. Nyoma for mo weti basana ma boss wa kire mo no 1992 MPP ni dia anko Parliament NDC for nyina enko Parliament and 1992 NDC for the all Parliament full house 100 MPs dia na mutimi ye constitution mutimi sisan dia na mo de beka ho man fa hwe kran sa meka ho enti munya nu dwa no na majority leader call constituency say wonko ho ye to ba nyina wonko ho ko ne ko hwe wo mo ne yekum nipa ho na kone ko bua nkofo na yom free ntokwanum na ja so betra parliamentar unni abadaye ema MP awuo upese ye nkoto aba na munya 2/3 majority abra mu ntimi mfa na hwe
Tirawadwe mame e comment section. Hi Penyah Media.